Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add music to Instagram story in iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you have not already. After that, tap on your profile picture or swipe right from your feed to access the Instagram camera and start creating a story. You can either capture a new photo or upload it from your gallery as well. So once you have captured or selected the photo, all you have to do is tap on the music icon at the top of the screen. So from the music icon, scroll down and browse through the music library and search for the specific song you want. Tap on the song you want to use to select it. After selecting a song, you can simply uh, drag according to your preferences the slider from left to right, or you can simply use any portion of the song. You can also tap on the song clip to resize it or move it around your story. So once you are satisfied, then simply tap on the your story option available in the bottom left corner and it will be shared. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.